You're cruising down a scenic highway, mountains on one side, ocean on the other, and your home on wheels, the 2025 Kia camper van, has everything you need for the ultimate road trip. This isn't just a van, it's a compact adventure machine, packed with features that make camping feel like a luxury vacation. Stick around because we're diving into 7 game-changing features that make this van a must-have. Ever felt cramped in a camper van? Not anymore. The 2025 Kia camper van comes with a pop-up expandable roof, giving you standing space and even a second sleeping area. Imagine pulling up to a breathtaking lakeside spot, popping the roof, and suddenly you have a cozy loft with a skylight view of the stars. No more hunching over while making coffee. This van lets you stretch out and enjoy the journey. No campsite power? No problem. This camper is equipped with solar panels that can run your lights, fridge, and even charge your devices. Picture this. You're parked in the middle of a forest, sipping your morning coffee, and your van is running on pure sunlight. No noisy generators, no dead batteries, just clean, endless power for your off-grid adventures. Forget struggling with campfires. This Kia camper has a Kawari slide-out kitchen with an induction stove, sink, and mini fridge. Imagine pulling up at the beach, sliding out your kitchen setup, and grilling fresh seafood while enjoying the ocean breeze. Cooking in a camper has never been this easy or this fun. When you're not driving, you want a comfortable living space. And Kia nailed it with rotating front seats that turn to face the rear lounge. Picture this. You're parked at a scenic overlook, the sun setting, and you and your friends are sitting in a cozy living room on wheelsperm, sharing stories and snacks. With just a few quick adjustments, your van transforms from a driver's cabin to a chill zone. Too hot, too cold, the Grow dual zone climate system in the Kia camper van keeps you comfortable year-round. Picture waking up in a snowy mountain parking spot but feeling warm and cozy inside, thanks to the Naya built-in heater. Or if you're camping in the desert, the van's cooling system keeps things refreshingly chill, because sweating in your sleep is not part of the adventure. Storage is key in any camper, and Kia's hidden compartments or not. Make sure every inch of space is where you are used smartly. Think about this. You pack for a weekend getaway and everything has a spot. Your hiking boots slide under the floorboards. Your camping gear tucks neatly into secret side panels. No more cluttered mess, just an organized, stress-free setup. What's a camper van if it can't handle rough terrain? With one all-wheel drive, AWD, and lifted suspension, this Kia can tackle gravel roads, muddy trails, and even snowy paths. Imagine deciding to explore a hidden waterfall deep in the woods. While other vans get stuck, your Kia camper powers through, taking you to off-the-grid destinations others can only dream of. The 2025 Kia camper van isn't just a van, it's a mobile adventure unit designed for comfort, efficiency, and pure fun. Whether you're a weekend explorer or a full-time road warrior, this van has your back. Which feature do you love the most? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic car and travel content. Car Sparkle.